Hey, money friends, what if I told you there is a way to get paid regularly for just owning stocks? Like literally money landing in your account without you doing anything extra. Does that sound amazing? That's called dividend investing. And it's one of my favorite ways of any passive income. That's my passive income strategy. If you're brand new to investing, don't worry. My name is Sifawu. And in this video, I will break it down in simple terms. So you will learn what are dividends, how to calculate your payout, how to choose good dividend stock, and how to set it all up to grow automatically. So make sure you grab your notepad and, of course, hit the like button and let's get into it. So, what are dividends? Dividends are basically a way that a company tells you thank you, and it's a part payment a company gives to you for being a shareholder. When you invest in a company and the company makes profit, they choose to reinvest it or share a portion with their owner. And guess what? If you own a stock, you're one of the owners. Some companies pay dividends monthly, some do quarterly, that's 4 times a year, and a few pay yearly. But not all companies do this. Usually bigger, more stable ones like Coca-Cola, Bank, or Enbridge, they do pay out dividends to you. Now, let's do a quick example. If you buy a share of Coca-Cola, they send you money every 3 months just for owning that share. And the more shares you own, the more you get paid. That's the beauty of dividends. What are dividend amount versus yield? Dividend amount is the dollar value per share. For example, if you have TD shares now and TD pays $1.50 per share every quarter, and you own 40 shares, that means you'll be getting $42 every quarter. Quick math, right? That's $1.05 multiplied by the 40 shares you own, which means every 3 months you get $42 paid straight to your account. Now let's look at dividend yield. Dividend yield is the percentage. It tells you how much you're getting back based on the stock price. So going with the example of TD Bank, if the stock price for TD Bank is $84 and they pay $4 per year, so it means the yield is 5%. Here is the formula. Annual dividend divided by stock price multiplied by 100 gives you what? The dividend yield. And it's also on the fun fact of the company. So you might say the dividend yield or you say the dividend amount. So why does this matter? It matters because you want to know how much income you will get for the price you're paying to get that share from the market. Moving on, how do you find reliable dividend stock? Now let's talk about how to pick a solid dividend stock. Just because a company pays dividends now doesn't mean they will always pay. So step one, check the dividend history. Just search on Google, put the company name and dividend history. You will see what they've been paying over the years. Have they been stable? Are their payments consistent? Have they ever increased their dividends over time? You can check the past 10 years, you can check the past 20 years to see what the dividend history looks like. And number two, you're going to look for dividend aristocrats and dividend kings. Of course, these are my go-to dividend payers anytime. These are companies that have paid dividends over time, and most importantly, they have increased their dividends payout. So for the aristocrats, they've been paying dividends for over 25 years, and for the dividend king, they've been paying dividends for over 50 years. But listen, it's most importantly, they've been increasing their dividends over time. In Canada, let's look at some dividend aristocrats. We have TD Bank, we have Enbridge. In the US, let's look at Dividend King. We have Coca-Cola, we have Johnson and Johnson. Just imagine. These titles means these companies have a track record of rewarding their investors through recession, through pandemic, and everything in between. They have been faithful to all their investors. And step 4, here is the magic move. Set up something called DRIP. DRIP is Dividend Reinvestment Plan. So instead of taking out your dividends on a quarterly basis or your monthly basis, you automatically reinvest the dividends to buy more shares. So over time, your investment grows faster without you what? Lifting a finger. And top 5 DRIP benefits. Number 1, automatic reinvesting. You do not require any effort to do that. Just set it once and do what? Forget about it. Zero fees with most brokers. So you can check on your brokerage app if there are fees. I know most of the brokerage app Canada do this at no cost. Then compounding grows like snowball effect. So imagine the snowball effect, right? When you pick one snow and you roll it over, you roll it over, you roll it over, what does it do? It becomes bigger. That is what DRIPS does for your investing. And you don't need a huge capital for you to even invest. So what DRIP does again is it can help you to buy fractional shares from the market. That is just buying a piece and bit of what you currently have, which means your money is always working. And free equity, it feels like free money. And who doesn't love that? I bet you do. Do you love free money? If you do, put one in the comments. And if you don't, put two in the comments. Let me see if you love free money. For me, I do love free money. I use Wealth Simple here in Canada. And setting it up is super easy. Quest Trade is also good. Setting it up also is super easy. And you click on the automation, you tap dividend reinvesting, toggle it on, and that's all. You can use TFSA or the regular investing account if you've exceeded your limits for TFSA. So let's recap. Dividends are passive income from stocks. You get paid based on how many shares you own. Number three, you use dividend yield to judge return. Number four, look for consistent companies with strong history and turn up your DRIP. DRIP is dividend reinvesting, right? To grow faster and on autopilot. If you've learned something today from this video, comment DRIP. So you have to comment either one or two and DRIP below and share this with a friend who wants to grow their money too. Let me know if you want me to create a video on my favorite dividend stocks in Canada. I'll be happy to share that with you. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss any more simple investing lessons from me. Till I come your way next time, you've got this. One smart move at a time and keep building wealth, keep growing.